Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 Mercedes-Benz A Class 1.5 A180d Sport Executive 7G-DCT, finished in polar white with a clean half-leather and cloth interior. From the side, it sits confidently on 17-inch alloy wheels, with smooth contours and a practical 5-door layout. Electric folding mirrors and subtle chrome touches add to its premium presence. At the rear, it's finished with sleek taillights and clean body lines. Front and rear parking sensors and a reverse camera ensure you can park and maneuver with ease in any setting. Powered by a 1.5-liter diesel engine paired with Mercedes' smooth 7G-DCT automatic gearbox, the A180d offers refined performance with great fuel efficiency, cruise control and stop-start tech. Keep your drive smooth and economical. At the front, the A Class impresses with its diamond grille, sculpted bonnet, lines, and sharp LED lighting that sets a bold first impression. Inside, the executive trim gives you a modern, upmarket feel. You get heated front seats, a digital cockpit, and a user-friendly layout that puts comfort and control first. Includes Bluetooth, DIB radio, navigation, and smartphone integration, keeping you fully connected wherever the road takes you. Keyless start adds to the seamless experience. In the back, there's comfortable seating for passengers and a boot that's ideal for daily use or weekend travel. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, Registration: WF68MMO to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.